You're watching Ride the Teacups, and today we're going to show you how to bring Radiator Springs Racer into your backyard. Woohoo!
Please keep your hands and arms inside the vehicle and remain seated at all times. Mantenga sus manos y pies dentro del vehículo en todo momento.
Ba, 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 ba.
Whoa! Slow down there. You're not racing yet. Go on ahead. Mater will bring you into town. Hey, you guys, I can bring you into town. Just follow me. Hey, have you ever gone tipping? When you get close, just honk. This is gonna be fun. Woo! The key to winning a race is making sure that you play fair. On your mark, get set, go! Go straight, go straight, go straight, go straight, go straight, go straight,
Thanks so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button up there in the corner, and to watch them early, consider being a Patreon subscriber. You'll find that link down in the description below. They get them early. Have a great day, and don't forget to ride the teacups!